Just like in the real world, when things don't fit, you have to deconstruct. And because I already have a base plate down, I have to take it off my base plate also, which is another fun challenge. And here we've placed the bottom layer on the base plates, so it's all the same level. And we'll show you when it's done. Here we have the completed bank with a nice fancy sidewalk that goes all the way around. As you can see, it is still under construction, but we're making progress. The train station will be over here.